I'm Jared from Jared Reed Plumbing, and we are just doing all the radiant heat in the basement. There's over 5,000 square feet of lineal pipe. Okay, so here we have a balancing manifold. We're gonna start with our supply. We're gonna leave and head all the way out to the corner, fill in the room and shoot back to the return side. Try and keep them under 250 feet so it's a nice balanced system. So here we have our supply water coming in and balancing valves to regulate how many gallons per minute are running through every loop. So supply out and coming back into the return, back to the boiler and mechanical room. Yeah, so the spray foam, we've actually never worked on a site that has sprayed instead of running, 3-inch iso board and then poly on top. So it's a lot cleaner, it's way easier to work on. Waterproof spray foam, I think it's a 2-pound. So yeah, there's gonna be nothing coming back up through this slab. Once you pour concrete, it's gonna be essentially airtight.